Hey, Nik Bear here. So we're looking at some AI generated footage of some famous writers as well as just AI generated characters talking and writing to robots. So why are we doing that in ground engineering? The point of this video is to make the analogy between writing as a craft and prompt engineering. So if you're a famous writer, that's supposed to be F. Scott Fitzgerald, but probably looks nothing like him. Um, you would spend a lot of time in your craft. Very few people, everybody can pretty much write. Most everybody can write. Very few people actually write well, clearly, effectively. To write well is a lot of practice. So most of what this course is going to be is practicing and me going through assignments with you and just prompting along with you. Prompting, we'll go over a bunch of tips on effective prompting, some heuristics and some guides, but it's mostly a lot of practice. And so I'll be prompting for, in this class, in the data science class, is primarily prompting for writing scripts. So I'll show you how to prompt specifically for that, how to effectively prompt for writing scripts. But how you prompt makes a major difference in A, whether you get what you want, and B, how long it takes you to get that. So again, the reason why this analogy is here is prompting is a craft. You need to take it serious. It's probably the number one skill in the world right now. The more effectively you can prompt, the better you are at pretty much anything that requires any kind of intellectual thought. So that's it. We're going to get into the details in the next few videos. First, we're going to explain what is a language model, because you need to sort of understand that in order to really effectively prompt. Is unlike regular writing, you know, a poet is writing for a human being. When you prompt, you write for liners one. So we're going to spend a couple of videos explaining exactly what is a model, what is a language model, because that's going to be important in how you frame what you say. But that's it. I want to keep these things short. Again, the analogy here is prompting is a craft. The better you are at prompting, the better you're going to be in the new world of AI. Prompting affects everything. But you have to spend time practicing. You have to learn the basic rules, just like becoming a good writer. It takes practice, it takes some tips, it takes some training, it takes skill. You don't just magically become a great prompter. But anybody can become an excellent prompter if they take it seriously, if they take it like a craft. Okay? So that's it. Take care.